Radian measure. One revolution is 360 degrees. This is a fact that we should know. But one revolution can also be defined to be 2 pi radians. So radians are another way of measuring angles. Radians are more intrinsically linked to circles than degrees. After all, the circumference of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. So that's 2 pi times the radius, and of course a revolution is 2 pi radians. So there is that link between radians and circles. Degrees, on the other hand, are somewhat arbitrary. Depending on your source, the 360 derives from the ancient Sumerian astronomers, 360 days in a year, or, and I think this is probably more authentically correct, the ancient Babylonians, who used base 60 arithmetic, and 6 times 60 is 360. So we have that 2 pi radians are the same as 360 degrees. Dividing both sides by 2 gives us that pi radians is 180 degrees. Now, so far I've used this little c here when I'm talking about radians, and the c stands for circular measure. This here is the start point for all conversions, but you should note that it's not necessary to use that little c up here when writing an angle in radians. We could just write pi here with no unit at all. Radians are just numbers, they're not units at all. We can do trigonometry in the usual way if angles are given in radians. We just need to change the calculator into radian mode.